One of the first things to do when you encounter problems with your hard drive is to run a SMART test. SMART stands for Self-Monitoring, Analysis, and Reporting Technology. It's something that's built into your hard drive that allows it to analyze itself and report to you any problems that it's having. Here's a hard drive. Let's check and see what its SMART status is. This basic health check is passed. However, this is not always a good indicator of your hard drive health. If it's failed, for sure you have serious hard drive problems. If it's passed, you still could have hard drive problems, but just the beginnings. So, to get more details, right-click on your hard drive and select View Details. In the window that appears, you'll see quite a bit of information about your hard drive. There are two specific tabs that you need to take a closer look at. The first one is Attributes. This shows the results of a number of different tests and different things that SMART keeps track of. If you notice here, two of them are in red. Let's take a look at this bottom one. This program offers us some information about the kind of error. If you look below, it says notice the drive has a non-zero raw value, and then it goes on to give some other information yet. It is yet to flag the drive failed, still allows it to be passing. However, it does show that the drive may be prone to failure in the future, and it may be causing the errors that you're seeing now. Now, after looking at this, we can check out the error log. This error log shows that this drive has had 193 errors, which is a considerable amount. And I've also noticed that every time I start this drive, it has another error. So, down below, after selecting the error, we can see some more information about it. Actually, quite a bit of information. However, if you're already getting to this point where you have errors and attribute problems, most likely your hard drive is damaged, and my advice would be to create an image of your hard drive. If you look on the basic BootMed menu, you will see a task for creating hard drive images. This will help you to cut your losses. Hard drive problems only get worse with use. Turning your computer on will only push it one step closer to the edge of failure. So the best thing to do is cut your losses and create an image of your hard drive. If the attributes and error log are inconclusive, you can perform tests. Tests don't always give the most accurate information. This hard drive, I know for sure, because I've tried, has crashed and is no longer usable. I'm about to perform an extended test on it, and here you can see it's performing. In a matter of a few seconds, it will take what should be a many-minute test. It completed it in about 5 seconds. So I can tell something's not right. Even though it's passing the extended test, it still has problems. So don't depend too much on the tests. And remember, if you have any red flags, make an image of your hard drive. That way you'll be sure to preserve whatever information is left.